Do you know that most people who start a YouTube channel will quit before they ever get monetized? Not because they are bad, not because YouTube hates them, but because they give up too early. If you ever felt like quitting YouTube, stay with me because this video might completely change how you see your YouTube journey. Hello you guys, and welcome back again to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. 1 year I teach you everything that you need to know when it comes to starting and growing your own YouTube channel from start to monetization. From my experience of running 5 YouTube channels and 4 of them are monetized. So if you like content around growing here on YouTube, or you want to see more videos about that, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and ask me your questions in the comment section. Okay you guys, so today we are talking about something every creator experiences but very few people openly discuss it, right? Why most YouTubers quit. Now there are a lot of reasons why every YouTuber quits, or any YouTuber that quits, there is a reason why they quit. But here again, I'm going to tell you some of the reasons why they will quit, right? Reason number 1 is they expect success too early. One of the biggest reasons creators quit is unrealistic expectations. They upload 5 videos, maybe 10, and then they wonder why they are still getting only 20 views. The truth is YouTube is really an overnight success. Most successful creators spend months or even years building momentum before people noticed them. Growth usually happens slowly than suddenly. A lot of people don't understand this, but this is where a lot of creators quit, right? They believe that if they upload a video today, tomorrow they are supposed to be getting 100,000 views, next tomorrow they are supposed to be monetized, the day after that they are supposed to be earning like $10,000 on the YouTube space, and it does not work like that. YouTube is gradual process, right? So you want to take note of that. Reason number 2 is they compare themselves to already established creators. This is one of the fastest way to become discouraged on this YouTube space. Like, you are comparing your day 30 to someone else's year 5. Big creators already have audience, they already made the mistakes, they've already learned lessons, and they've already built trust over time. So focusing on becoming a better version of yourself instead of trying to becoming someone else is the best way to actually stay put on YouTube, instead of giving yourself a reason to quit by comparing your journey to someone else's journey. Okay you guys, reason number 3, they mistake slow growth for failure. Like, this one is very paramount. Like, sometimes I even find myself in these shoes, right? Just because your channel is not growing or your channel is growing slowly doesn't mean it isn't growing, right? Every subscriber matters, every comment matters, every improvement matters. Sometimes the biggest win happens quietly before they become visible. So when you see that comment that you've not seen, maybe from a very new audience, you don't know that audience before, you've not noticed the comments from that audience before, be happy, that is a win for you. When you see a like on your video, be happy, that's a win for you. If you usually get 2 likes and then you start to see 5 likes, that's a win for you, right? The growth on YouTube is always slow before it starts to build momentum and before it starts to get successful. So you want to make sure that you are not rushing, you are not mistaking your slow days for failure. They are not failure because they are slow days. They are just a time where YouTube tries to organize you and position you for the success, right? Reason number 4 is they stop learning. Some creators upload the same type of content over and over without asking, why didn't people click? Why didn't they watch? Could I improve? The creators who succeed are the ones who keep learning. Every video teaches you something. You should be able to learn why your first video worked and the next one did not work, or why a particular video did not work. You are supposed to be looking at your click-through rates, your impressions, your thumbnail, your titles, and all of those good stuff, your retention rates. If they are improving, if all of these things are improving, then you are growing, even if it may be slow, but you are growing. These are some of the things that you need to look for. And then if they are not growing, you need to start learning how to make them grow, right? Instead of just comparing and getting discouraged to quit. Reason number 5 is they lose sight of why they started. Like, this is even the major reason. Maybe you started your YouTube channel because you wanted financial freedom, or maybe you wanted to teach people. Maybe you just simply enjoy creating videos. Don't let slow progress make you forget your reason, right? Your why is what keeps you moving when the views aren't moving. Like, the reason why you came here on YouTube is your strongest motivation to actually keep you here on the YouTube space. If you are here because you want financial freedom or you want another stream of income, then you need to stay put even in slow days. If you are here because you enjoy creating content, this should be your motivation. If you are here because you want to be teaching people stuffs that you know, then this should be your motivation. The reason why you are here on the YouTube space is your biggest motivation for you not to quit, right? So don't ever forget your why. I will be honest with you, I've had moments where I've stopped uploading videos or content on the YouTube space. There were times where life became overwhelming and consistency became difficult. But every time I came back, I realized something. The only way to truly fail on YouTube is to quit. As long as you are learning, improving, and showing up, you are still in the game. Like, this is the major factor. As far as you don't give up, there is nothing like perfection on the YouTube space. You don't have to be perfect, and that's one thing I love about the platform. You don't have to be a perfect creator for you to be able to stay on the YouTube platform. The more you keep creating, the more you keep improving, the more you keep learning what you are to do better the next time, and the more you keep getting closer to success. So if you are thinking about quitting YouTube, don't make that decision because one video didn't perform well, okay, or because 1 month was slow. Make improvements, adjust your strategies, keep learning, but don't quit before giving yourself a real chance to succeed. Remember, the creator who wins isn't always the one that is most talented. It is often the one who stayed long enough on the YouTube platform, right? I hope this video has helped you. I know it has helped you, and if it has, let me know in the comment section. If you also like this video, kindly go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to ask me your questions in the comment section. If you want me to do a thumbnail for you, or you are struggling with your thumbnail and you want professional touch on it, kindly go ahead and send me an email. My email address is going to be in the description box. I charge a fee for that. If you also want me to teach you one-on-one on how to grow here on the YouTube space, I charge a fee for that. Kindly go ahead and send me an email. My email address is going to be also in the description box. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video, and I will see you all in another one. Bye.